bata. Ang batang makulit. Wow. Hi, Daddy. Today, Yeji did not sleep in the afternoon. So, what time is it now? The time is 6:36 p.m. She's very sleepy. I just took a shower. Yeji just took a quick shower. Say hi, Yeji. Say hi. Hi. Yeji's very sleepy. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Sarap asarin. Yummy, yummy. Very quiet because she's very sleepy. Yeah. Okay, meme. Okay, good. Do you want to sing? Just give me a reason, just a little bit signal, just a second when it's broken, just bend, and we can learn to love again. It's in the stars, it's been written in the stars of our hearts. We're not broken, just bend, and we can learn to love again. Hello. Kaku. Tawa pa rin. Kaku. Kasi anyong muna sa'yo. Ito ayaw. You know what? Do we look like each other, baby Eddie? It's going to rain today. Ay. Bye-bye, Daddy. I'm gonna sleep now. Just give me a reason, just a second, it's enough. Wrong lyric. We're not broken, just bend, and we can learn to love again.